Is it possible to eyewitness celestial dancers, apsaras and gandharvas on earth? The answer is yes, yes. It sounds unbelievable, but it is a fact. Right on the pristine forest tracks of Dudhwa, when peacocks position themselves to woo a peahen and fan out their majestic tail coverts, their dance is even more spectacular than that of a celestial dancer. While we watch them spellbound, the hen pretends to be oh so unimpressed and goes about foraging for food with indifference. It is a lovely sight to see peacocks perched on branches with their train cascading downwards. These perches serve as roosting sites as well. Despite their 6 feet long train, peacocks are capable of quick short flight, and nature has also equipped them with strong feet for a swift race when danger lurks. As winter retreats and spring sets in, forests echo with the full-throated kehaw, kehaw of peafowl. Even inside the full camouflaged jungle, peacocks are conspicuous through their fluttering coverts. None can trespass their way while they are immersed in wooing their prospective bride. Other suitors give tough competition. Even 3 peacocks are seen dancing together, vigorously vibrating feathers to keep their train aloft. It may be exhausting, but only the best display can win the heart of a beautiful peahen. The female incubates the eggs and raises the chicks single-handedly. The mama peahen and her chicks look alike until the chicks are 3 years. The males then grow their tail coverts. You encounter small parties of peafowl running on forest tracks, often in accompaniment with their pals, spotted deer, langurs, and at times even wild boars. Peacocks shed their feathers after the mating season. These fluorescent feathers are much coveted by humans. Peafowls have adapted to live in countryside and in sparse wilderness wherever there is food and water, and humans do not molest them. At National Environment Science Camp at Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, we invite you for a dance performance by peacocks, exclusively for you, and you will have no reason to complain कि जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा.